Okay, there you go. Honor class, Pinas Paraiso, State Witness, Mr. Victory Batang Balara, Airway in the middle. Pinas Paraiso, State Witness, Mr. Victory Batang Balara, and Airway in between runners alongside his honor class, Handsome Hank Arrowhead, Penny Perfect, Way Magic, and My Hermes is running at the tail of the field. And rounding the far-turn, State Witness, now the leader, Pinas Paraiso. Airway closing in third from the outside, now taking the second spot, and by the rally is Mr. Victory Batang Balara joining them in Handsome Hank as they race one corner. In State Witness the leader, Airway Batang Balara on the outside. In State Witness, Airway and Batang Balara on the further outside, going the tracks. Batang Balara is now the leader, and finally Batang Balara, Airway, Arrowhead, State Witness, and Mr. Victory Pentafecta.